Premlata Dhanashekhar. In my family, 4 members are there. Me, my husband, and 2 daughters. My husband is a civil engineer. My 2 daughters were in now at present Fridji school. One is grade 6 and one is grade 1. I know about this school from my friend and advertising also, advertisement. After that, popularly in advertisement. I like this school because of infrastructure. First thing, infrastructure. Infrastructure was very nice, and the second thing is brand name of Fiji. They'll bring up the child to what the professional courses. So these 2 things mainly added. What I loved in this school means so many activities, ways they are going. For grades up to grade 2, they are having like a playrooms, trampoline, then wall climbing and Zumba classes. I like the Max Lab activity. For grade 1, I didn't see anywhere. So Max Lab activity was very nice. And for my elder also, she is having robotics, astronomy. When compared to other schools or compared to any other institutions, here they kept on a practical way. They given a kit and they are doing in the class. So they are not a theory basis. Theory as well as maximum practical basis they are going. So they liked actually. Even in for science also, activities basis going for my elder. So she liked the science subject. We can say for all subjects they are going in activities base. My elder daughter and all maths, she was struggle only earlier, but now she enjoying and doing, and she had the confidence now. I'll take centum. So that's the spirit they are. We are also expecting maybe my child will go in a professional way. Regarding faculties, first I want to say for grade 1, she is grade 1 and she is little bit hyperactive only. But this girl also, they are managing means credit goes to faculty only. She is taking in a way of activities. Like for example, this is the basic for English grammar and all. The basics goes from grade 1. So the noun, for example, noun, prepositions, everything, she did in activity base. So she remembered. Even at any time we can ask, she is telling. So that way the activities helped. So after that she is going in a theory way. So for that hats off them only. For my grade 6 elder daughter, all the faculties are going in a first thing, they are going in a activities base. So when the activities means they are enjoying a lot and they are understanding also in a long way. So that is the main point. And teaching also very nice only. So if she has any doubt, she can call at any time. So that's the one thing point, very important point. So she is calling at any time and she is discussing her doubts, and the faculty is also explaining at any time, and how many numbers also doesn't matter. So that I like very point. When I came to the school, the admin part is very important, because when they greet only, we will satisfy whether we can join or not. So when we came, so many people, more than 4-5 people, they came and inquired and they greeted in very well. And I want to say about Shyam Sundar sir. He only brought in a proper way, and he helped also for everything, for application filling or even fees, anything we can say. So she did a good job too. In the school, what I find out means for each class, per section, they decided to keep 25 to 30 students. So that I liked. Not more than 35 and all means they can't manage also, even the faculties. And 4 sections only there. Till now they told what they told. For each standard 4 sections will be there. And for grade 1 and all, one mother teacher and one will be the language teacher. For from grade 3, They're having for each subject, each faculty is there. Apart from this, they kept one mentor. Mentor is the most what I liked means they will know about the student positive and negative things, even what the parents will not know. They'll grasp the information from the students and they'll keep, and they will mention to the parents and teachers, so that we can move to the students according to that. So that the what I like, which I like most thing. So mentor is the good thing. Finally, I want to say that actually both of my kid initially they told that why you're changing school, our school is best only, no, why you're changing. But we told that what we lost there and what we found there. So both of them after joining after 15 days itself they enjoyed. Now my elder, no, I thought they will come from next month. I seems she is very happy when the October will be coming, when I can move to school. So regarding same, she also telling that I want to also go to school immediately when the days will be coming. So finally we all fine and we all happy only.